Hey Project Rebuilders, how are you doing? It's Martin here and I'm at Gloucester Royal Hospital today getting an x-ray on this here shoulder. So I've just come out. Didn't even have to take my top off. Didn't get to show off my tan. Clever, these machines. So we've done the x-ray. There's going to be a report written and it's going to take some time and then we'll get to have a little look at it. But I did get to see them. I can confirm there were bones, there were gaps. Wasn't entirely sure what I was looking for, but it was very exciting. So always kind of cool looking inside yourself, isn't it? You know, there were big joints, and I'll see what they say, see what the report says, see what they can find. Hopefully, you know, we're going to be able to get to the bottom of this. If there's a life lesson in any of this, because you know I love my life lessons, this one's for all the Disney fans out there, right? Sometimes if you've got a problem, you've got a challenge, you've got to dig a little deeper. And that's what we've done today. And I can't wait to see the results, to see what they say, and then we can get this shoulder sorted, because it's been going on for way too long. So until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep rebuilding.